scared to like stand all the way out, far away from the house when there's, whoa, lightning storm. Ow. I shouldn't wear flip-flops with socks. It kind of hurts.
Tina, come over here.
Are they over there too?
No, you can't.
Oh, whoa. Okay. Holy moly, it's like a lot of them. But I don't think my camera's picking it up that easy.
Tina, look at it.
Can you see it yet?
No, I said I don't think my camera's picking it
I
up.
saw this last time I was here from far away.
On the highway it was awesome because it was like
Dude,
in front of me.
that's awesome. It's going so, there's like a bunch of them every split second.
I saw it, but I didn't know what it was.
But there have been a couple brilliant, like, clear strikes. And
Whoa, what was
totally
that?
pink.
Oh my god!
Wow.
That scared the crap out of me. There was a firefly right above my head.
Wow.
One was bright orange, and then another one was
Dude, that looks so cool.
clouds like floating in front of it. It's awesome.
Why is it pink?
I have no idea.
Hey, look. Oh, nice one.
And the stars out above us.
There's like bugs flying around me. Gross.
If it's scattered,
I don't see any pink ones. Are you sure they're pink?
Oh, that was
Dude.
a good one way over here.
What if one